You will pull on the lip, pull the filter out. It has a little handle. When you pull the filter out, there's an arrow showing direction to furnace. The air flows this way. You put the new filter in with the arrow pointing this way. When you push it in, you push it all the way into the compartment. Make sure these tabs are in the slots, and then make sure the tabs are in, and then just snap back